We're about to get Qualcomm earnings as well, and it looks like Qualcomm, I see that stock is up 5%. So interesting to see what those results will be. I could break those right now. I have them right in front of me. We do see that their fourth quarter revenue estimated to be $9.5 to $10.3 billion. That is, it looks like the estimate was $9.7 billion. So that is a big range there. It looks like they exceeded that range. Also seeing fourth quarter EPS, $2.45 to $2.65. That is higher than the $2.45 that was expected. And then third quarter adjusted revenue, that's the one from the current quarter, the reporting quarter, $9.39 billion, slightly beating the estimate of $9.21 billion. And then adjusted EPS coming in at $2.33. The estimate was for $2.24. So.
Yeah. And I just want to run through the different units of business here for Qualcomm here. QCT, that's their licensing revenue, rose by 12%. Their Internet of Things business fell by 8.5% by revenue. Handset revenue up 12%. Automotive revenue, the real standout here, up 87%. And that is something that the company has really been leaning into, chips that power smart vehicles, essentially.
All those robotaxis.
Yeah, all those robotaxis, but just other, other stuff, sensors, other things that go into vehicles here. And Qualcomm's really been trying to diversify in these various areas. Automotive still the smallest part of the business, but it's one of the ones that's been the most rapidly growing. Handsets is really the company's bread and butter. And so seeing a beat there. I'm just looking at the statement here, Cristiano Amon, who is president and CEO of the company, talking about the growth and diversification strategy, what I was just talking about there. And he also said, we're excited about the launch of our Snapdragon X series solutions for PCs. So this is going to be the next question for not just Qualcomm, but also ARM that we're about to get in a little bit. So just going to go through those numbers. But the whole question of AI PCs, right? What is the demand going to be from that? How much are we going to see not just uptake from the PC companies, but also uptake for consumers? Is that a product that they're going to want?
Yeah, if we can go back to the Wi-Fi Interactive just for one more second, want to show the current quote and just remind people, yesterday was a nasty day in semiconductors. I'm going to put a 2-day total on here and you can see, well, it's still dark green. We actually saw quite a bit of selling yesterday, but it wasn't as much as the bullishness that we're seeing today. But Qualcomm specifically, this is a stock that is down considerably off of its high, and we've just seen incredible volatility in the AI trade, in the chip space overall. It's a very secular industry.